Affiliate marketing is a proven way to earn income online. Making $2,000 per week is achievable with the right approach. Choose a profitable niche that aligns with your interests. High-demand areas like health, finance, and technology are great options. Partner with high-paying affiliate programs offering commissions of at least $50. Look into ClickBank and Shopify for substantial payouts. A website or blog is essential for creating content and attracting traffic. Focus on SEO optimization to gain organic traffic. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube to share content and promote products to a larger audience. Use paid advertising like Google Ads and Facebook ads to scale your affiliate marketing efforts and drive targeted traffic. Build and nurture an email list to promote offers directly to your audience, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Optimize your conversions with strong CTAs and A/B testing. Trust-building methods like testimonials can enhance audience trust. With consistency and the right strategies, you can achieve your $2,000 weekly goal in affiliate marketing.